guys, so today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of December. I cannot believe that 2020 is almost over. I know a lot of people are like, yay, 2020 is over, and you know, I'm excited for the new year, but I think 2020 has taught so many lessons. I mean, this is not a video about 2020, but I just want to say, like, before I get started, like, 2020 has taught us so many lessons. It's taught us that time for ourselves is very important. It's good to know yourself, and your solitude is important, and I think it just kind of showed us what's important in life, and that materialistic things and certain things are not important when it comes down to it, and health, life, well-being, mental, emotional, physical, that's very important. And I think that the pandemic has taught us, I hope taught a lot of people lessons and just changed the way we look at life. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for December 2020. Wow. And I'm just going to be sharing it with you guys. So if you want to see all the things I got, just keep on watching. So the first thing that I got in the box I was so excited about, it is this Caliente palette by artist Couture. When you look at the shades in this palette, they are so beautiful. They are very like shades that I like: yellow, red, orange, dark berry colors. So I'm just gonna do a look with this. This is not a tutorial, you know, so I'm just gonna zoom this part. I'm just gonna fly through this part. And then I also got this right here. This is by Eloise, and this is a glitter shadow in pure gold. So I'm gonna do like a look with these two. So I'm just gonna do a quick look with this. These shades are really pigmented. I've never tried artist Couture shadows before, but these are some really good eyeshadows. They're super pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with this Eloise pure gold liquid shadow in gold. So what I did is I put the gold here, and I'm just gonna take this and go over top of it. Oh, this is really pretty, guys. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Ooh, that's really pretty. I'm actually gonna put on my foundation, my blush, my bronzer, because I have this banana powder from Ofra that I want to try out as well, and then I'll be right back. So I'm gonna do like my face makeup, and then I'm gonna be back to try the mascara and this setting powder, and I also got a lipstick in the box. So I'll be right. So I'm back with my face pretty much done. I have my foundation, my blush, my bronzer on. I accidentally put a little bit of my Beauty Bakery setting powder on, so I forgot I had to use this one from Ofra. But I'm gonna go in now with this Ofra banana powder, and I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place setting brush. This Juvia's Place tapered blush brush to set that. So with setting powders, you know, the only way like I really can test out setting powders is like to see if they crease or not. But this one is pretty nice. It's brightening up my under eyes. Like I feel like my under eyes look so much brighter. I did smudge my lower lash line with the red and the pink shade in the palette. I took these two shades right here. I took this one, and I mixed them and smudged my little lash line. So now I'm going to take the mascara, the Tarte Maneater mascara, and I'm going to apply this on my lashes, and I'll let you guys know how this is. Let me zoom it in again. Okay, so this is the eye with the mascara, and this is the one without. It looks pretty nice. I did notice it's getting a little bit clumpy. So the last thing in the box that we did get is MAC lipstick. I have not touched a MAC lipstick in so long, and I have mine in the shade Russian Red. Do you guys remember Russian Red? That was a very popular color. Also Ruby Woo. Remember Ruby Woo? That was a really popular one too. I used to have Ruby Woo. I haven't seen or purchased a MAC lipstick in so long, so it's like, it feels like nostalgic, you know, having a MAC lipstick in my hand. I used to work in Macy's years ago. I used to work in fragrance, and we were kind of across from the MAC counter, and I remember always watching the girls like doing makeup, and I was like, I don't know, I always felt like it was a thing to shop at MAC, and it was like popular to be like, have MAC and stuff. It was the brand. But now I feel like there's so many brands, and I don't have a problem with MAC, I just don't shop there. But anyway, so I'm gonna take this color, it's a really pretty red, and I'm gonna apply it, and I'm gonna line my lips. Now I would normally do a nude lip with this type of look, but for the sake of the video, just to show you guys everything I got in the box, I'm gonna do a red lip. It just feels like nostalgia, the lipstick, and I don't know, just everything about it. I don't know what it is about this lip, but it just brings back so many memories. Like, it just makes me feel like nostalgic, and this is such a beautiful, beautiful red lipstick. Like, it's so pretty, this lip color. I really like this red. But yeah, so that is it for this month's Boxycharm for December 2020. I really love my box. I liked everything. The only thing I'm not like too crazy about is the mascara. It's not bad, it's just I feel like it was clumping, so maybe I have to try to use it a different way. But I love the eye stuff. I love this palette. This palette is so pigmented. I love this gold. It's so pretty. Like, do you see that on my eyelids? It's beautiful. I love that. I also really love the lipstick. I don't know, it's just so nostalgic. It's a really beautiful red lipstick. It matches my dress. But I really love that, this lipstick. And I'm not too sure about the banana setting powder by Ofra, because I have to see if it creases or whatever. But overall I really love this month's box. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for watching my December 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. Wow, where has the time gone? Like, it's already gonna be 2021. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.